The Infinix Hot 12 came hotter than its predecessor, which is a worthy upgrade from the Hot 11 that has USB-C, a high refresh rate, stereo speakers and many more with some few downgrades. What's up guys, it's Michael, and one thing that blew me away about this device is the cameras, especially the selfies when taking photos. It seems Infinix now listens to us. What's up guys, so this is a rear camera test on the Infinix Hot 12i, which I'm currently shooting at 1080p. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the video quality. And I did not see any video stabilization in the camera settings, but yeah, let me know what you think about it. Hot 12. What's up guys, so this is a front facing camera test on the Infinix Hot 12, which has an 8 megapixel camera. Let me know in the comment section below if you know this guy. And this guy, do you know him? Do you know her? Do you know her? Yeah, Free Fire. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. From afar, the Infinix Hot 12 looks as if it is made of glass because of the glossy rear, which is false, but it is made of plastic, and this is one of the very few phones under 100,000 naira that is glossy but comes with a Free Fire case that covers the rear and the edges of this device. The downgrade from a 1080p to a 720p isn't it, but we get a 90Hz refresh rate on a 6.82 inches display. We will still get the regular LCD at this price point. Don't get your hopes high. The Hot 12 is the first device from the brand to run on Android 12 out of the box, and it comes with Free Fire's icon since this is the theme of this phone. And yeah, this is a Bluetooth driven skin which is XOS 10.6. For those that need a little bit of extra RAM, you can get up to 3 gigs more when you use memory fusion. Performance has been decent so far on the Helio G85, especially in Free Fire. I didn't experience any lag while playing that game, but other esports title games like Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile are best played on medium graphics and medium frame rates. While gaming, no need to worry about blocking the bottom speakers because the Infinix Hot 12 comes with stereo speakers. The 5000 mAh battery on here has been amazing so far with 90Hz refresh rate turned on, and it comes with an 18W power brick to juice up this device when it is critically low. The Infinix Hot 12 is an amazing phone which I'll rank it part of the top 3 devices under 100,000 naira because of the amazing features it has. If you want to know how to get a USA phone number, click here. If you want to get a USB-C hub for your phone, laptop or tablet, click here.